Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Toyota RAV4 CV, stock reference number 4869. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 11th month 2012. There's a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light with surround, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror indicator type, left front sits 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, a pair of factory chrome side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left front door has 8 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light. We have the right-hand rear 17-inch factory steel rim, right-hand side skirts hold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, indicator type, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.